वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 8 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 8। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट if the line 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, 5x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 are the concurrent, then find the value of k. All three lines are concurrent. Then we have to find value of k. Here this is the value k. So we have to find this value. So for this type of question, first you have to know what is the concurrent line. So two or more than two lines are concurrent when they meet at a same point. So we have to find this line, this line, this line. All three lines are concurrent. That means they are all three lines intersect each other at a common point. So there is a one common point which satisfy all the three equations. So here 2x plus y minus 3 is 0. Here 5x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So let us see how we solve this question. So answer first. So first equation is given 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Second equation is given 5x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0. This is the second equation. And here this is 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Right? Now we have to find there is a common point in every three lines. So first there is a k we have to find. So first you solve first and third. So from equation first and third. So from first and second, first and third. So if we solve, there is a first and third equation. So this is what 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the first equation. And 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the third equation. So we can solve this equation by any method: substitution method, elimination method and cross method. So here we are doing this question by elimination method. When you add this equation, when you will add these two equations, it will be cancelled out. So you will get 5x minus 5 equal to 0. So this is what 5x equal to 5. So x equal to what? 1. Right? So when we add these two equations, y plus y minus y will be cancelled out. We will get 5x. Here minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So 5x minus 5 equal to 0. 5x equal to 5. So x equal to 1. Now put the value of x equal to 1 in an equation 1 or 3. Suppose we are putting in this equation number 1. So we will get 2x, that is 2 multiply 1 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is what? 2 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So y minus 1 is 0. So y equal to what? 1. So x is 1 and y is 1. So we have the formula x1 and y1. Now that means the equation 1 and equation 3 intersect at a point 1, 1. So now this point will satisfy the equation number 2 also. So just put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in equation number 2. So now put x equal to 1, y equal to 1 in equation number 2. So 5x, that is 5 multiply 1 plus ky, that is k multiply 1 minus 3 equal to 0. So this is 5 plus k minus 3 is 0. So 5 minus 3 what? 2. So 2 plus k equal to 0. So this is 5 minus 3 2. 2 plus k 0. So k equal to what? Minus 2. So this is the correct answer k. We have to find value of k. So our correct answer is minus 2. Okay. So question is line 1, line 2, line 3. All three lines are concurrent. we have to find value of k. So we know concurrent lines always meet at a common point. So first we are taking first equation and third equation. What is the common point, that intersecting point of the first and third? For finding intersecting point, solve the equation of first and third. So first equation 2x plus y minus 30, 3x minus y minus 20. When we add these two equations, 5x, this cancel out y minus 1. So x equal to 1. Putting the values to 1 in equation first or third, anyone. So here we are putting in 1. So 2 into 1 plus y minus 30. So y is 1. Now we have found that is the common point of the equation 1 and third is 1, 1. So this will satisfy the equation 2 also because they are concurrent. So 5 into x is 1 plus k into y is 1 minus 3. So we get k equal to what? Minus 2. This is the correct answer. Okay. So this is a model question. Any question came, there are three lines which are concurrent. Then what is the common point? Yeah, what is the value of k? You can find very easily. Now see the question number 2. So this is question number 2 is what? Find the distance of the line 4x minus y equal to 0 from the point 41 measured along the line making angle of 135 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, right? So you can solve this equation by a different way. So this is the equation of line given. Here other line point given and that line making angle 135 degree with the positive axis. Okay. So this is the first line and this is the point on the other line. So first you find equation of second line. When you will find equation, because here angle is given with positives, you can find slope and here point is given. So we can find very easily equation of second line. And equation of second line given, it is the equation of first line. So first you find point of intersection of these two lines by solving these two equations. When you get point, then one point on a common point and this is the point P on the line number second. So we can find this is line P and there is, suppose there was a Q line intersection. So we can find the distance between P and Q by the distance formula. So just see the equation first. So this is equation of line first is given what? 4x minus y equal to 0. This is the first equation. Okay. Now we will find equation of line 2 is. So line 2 is what? Formula is y minus y1. So this is point x1 y1. So y minus y1, that is this. Now m into x minus. So m is what? Tan theta. So here theta is given 135. So this is tan 135 degree, right? Into x minus x1 is what? 4. So you know tan 35 is what? Minus 1, because tan 90 plus 45, that is minus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1, so minus 1. So we can write this minus 1 into x minus 4. So when we solve this equation, y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 4. So we can write this equation like x plus y. This is x plus y equal to what? 5. This is the equation number 2. So now we have equation 1 and equation 2. Solving these two equations, we will get point of intersection of this point. So we are taking here from first and second. From first and second equation. So first equation is given 4x minus y 0. Second equation given x plus y equal to 5, right? When we add these two equations, again we will cancel y. We will get 5x equal to 5. So x equal to what? 1. So now put the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2. So when we will put the value of x equal to 1 in equation first, we will get 4 into 1 minus y equal to 0. So y equal to what? 4, right? So y equal to 4. So this is 4 minus 4. So x 1 and y 4. Now my question is what? So suppose this is a point of intersection. Suppose this is a point Q. X is 1 and y coordinate is 4. So the coordinate is 1, 4. Now we have to find distance of this line from the point P. So this line have a common point of this 1, 4. So we can find very easily that is PQ. So now P is given 4, 1, right? And Q point we have found 1, 4. So distance between the 2 points, that is PQ, equal to what? X2 minus X1 whole square. So you can write 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 4 minus 1 whole square and root under. So this is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 square, 9. This is also 3 square, 9. So this is root under what? 18, right? So we know 19, 2 is 18. 19, 9 into 2. So 9 is 3. So my answer is what? 3 root 2. So distance between the points P from this line is what? 3 root 2. Okay. So again, listen the question. Find the distance of this line 4x minus y equal to 0 from the point 4, 1. Measured along the line making angle of 135 degree with positive. So we have to find distance of this line from this point, and this point is on a line which are making angle of 135 degree with positive axis. So first you make the equation of line 1 is given. So find the equation of second line whose point is given, passing point, and here theta given, that we can find slope. So point slope form we can find equation of second line. So here equation of second line, y minus y1 m into x minus x1. We can find very easily x plus y equal to 5. Now we have equation 1, equation 2. That means equal line or equation line first, equation line second. So solve this two equation, you will get point of intersection of this two line. It is 1, 4. That is x coordinate 1, y coordinate 1, 4. So we have a point Q on this line 4x minus y equal to 0. And the line passing through P and making angle this. So now we have to find distance between the P and Q. So P is 4, 1 and Q is 1, 4. So use the for distance formula of the 2 point. So PQ equal to x2 minus x1. So this is suppose x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So this is what? x2 minus x1. So suppose this is 1 minus 4 whole square. This is 4 minus 1 whole square. You will get 9 and you will get 9. So root 18, that is 3 root 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now see the third question. So third question is also most important question. What is the third question? See, assuming that a straight line works as a plane mirror for a point, for a point, find the image of point in the line. This question is that any straight line works as a plane mirror. Okay, so for any point. So suppose there is a point 1, 4, 1, 2. Then find the image of this point. If the equation of line is given x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the most important question and it is a model question. When anytime you will given that one point given, equation of line given, and you have to find image of this point. So how can we find? See. So suppose this is a given line, right? So this is the given line. So equation of, suppose this is the given line AB. And equation of this line is what? X minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, right? Now we have to find image of a point. So suppose this is a point P and this is a point Q. So suppose Q is the point 1, 2. So this is the point, Q is the point 1, 2. And it is the point P. We have to find image of this Q is P. So suppose coordinate of this point is what? HK. Okay. So this is the given equation of line. It works as a plane mirror. And this is given a point 1, 2. We have to find image of this point. So suppose image of this point Q is what? HK. You know image distance is just equal to the object distance. So suppose this is a point O. So O will be what? That is the midpoint of the PQ. And this is what? Perpendicular. So this is perpendicular also, right? So we can find, how can we solve this question? Because we have to find HK. So for finding HK, there is a simple method. First to find equation of this line. So how can find equation line? Point is given 1, 2 and HK. And slope of this line you can find. So you know that if the two lines are perpendicular, then product of slope is what? -1. So slope of this line will be what? See here. So we are finding equation of PQ. Equation of line PQ. So how can we find? That is slope of this line. Slope means difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. So this is y coordinate, this is y coordinate. So we can write here k minus 2, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is h minus 1, right? So slope of this line. Now what is the slope of this line? So you know well, if you will change this equation in a form of y equal to mx plus c, then you will get a y equal to what? X upon 3 plus 4 upon 3, because 3y equal to x plus 4, so y equal to x by 3 plus 4 by 3. So coefficient of x is what? 1 by 3. So this is slope of the other line is what? That is 1 by 3. This equal to what? -1, because the two lines are perpendicular. Now solve this equation. So this is what? K minus 2 equal to 3h minus 1. So this is minus into 3h minus 3, right? This is the -1 into 3h minus 3. So if you solve this equation, k minus 2 equal to minus 3h plus 3. So we can write this 3h plus k equal to 5. So this is the equation number 2. So this is the equation first, this is the equation number 2. 3h plus k equal to 5. Now you know midpoint, this point O is the midpoint of this line. So midpoint will satisfy this equation. So put the midpoint. So what will be this midpoint? You know midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. So this will be what? H plus 1 upon 2. And y coordinate will be what? K plus 2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint, that is the coordinate of O. This will satisfy this equation. So put this value in this equation. So what we get here? So this is x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So when we put value of x in place of h plus 1y2. So this is h plus 1y2 minus 3 into y. So y is what? K plus 2 divide 2, right? So this is x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So now we know how can we solve this. So this is h plus 1. So LCM is 2. So this is minus 3k. And minus 3 plus 2 minus 6. This is 2. So LCM is 2. So 2 4 is 8. And this equal to what? 0. Because 2 into 0 is 0. So we will get h minus 3k. This is 1 plus 8. 9. 9 minus 6. 3. So this is 8 plus 9. 9 minus 6 is, this is plus 3. Plus 3 equal to 0. So h minus 3k plus 3 equal to 0. So we can write this equation h minus 3k equal to minus 3. This is the equation number 3, right? So now we know this is 3h plus k equal to 5 and this is h minus 3k equal to minus 3. Now solve this equation number 2 and 3. You will get the value of h and k. Okay, so see here. So this is 3h plus k equal to 5, h minus 3k equal to minus 3. So you can multiply this number, second number by 3. Then coefficient of k will be 3k. So multiply equation 2 by 3 and add second and third. So when we multiply this number by 3, we will get how much? This is 3h plus 3k equal to what? 50. And now here h minus 3k equal to what? Minus 3. When we add this number, we'll get cancel out. 3h plus h is what? 4h. And 15 minus 3, how much? 12. So h will be how much? 4 3 is 12. Now we can put value of h in any equation 2 or 3. So when we will put this value h in equation number 2, we will get 3h. So 3 into 3 plus k equal to 5. So this is 9 plus k equal to 5. So k equal to what? 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. So k equal to minus 4. So our answer is what? That is P. P is the image of the point Q, HK. So our correct answer is 3 minus 4 is the right answer. Okay. So again see the question. Assuming that a straight line works as the plane mirror. For a point, find the image of this point in the line x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. For this type of question, there is a simple method. This is a line and suppose this point have image hk. So first you find the equation, that is slope of the given line and slope of this line. Product of both will be minus 1. So we will get an equation between h and k. Now you know midpoint of this line PQ satisfy this equation. So it will give other equation in the hk. Now solve these two equations, you will get hk value, that is 3 minus 4. In this way we have solved all the 3 questions, and all these 3 questions are very basic and important questions. So any question of this type you can solve in this way. Okay. So अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे YouTube चैनल ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब करो। यहाँ पे आपको 11th 12th क्लास की सारी मैथमेटिक्स की वीडियोस आपको मिलेंगे। थैंक यू।